My father asks one day, "Como se chama Gidushinamo?" So I'm already like, because I know it's going to take hours of research to figure this out. Gidushinamo ku Pimpisa. Sorry, what? Ushinamo gidu ku Pimpisa. I have no idea what you're talking about. No idea. Now he's annoyed. O Pimpisa non è o padrone di prostitute. Okay, so there's a few things wrong here, not necessarily in this order. Number one, why is it 3 syllables? Number 2, how many pimpers are we talking? And number 3, ew, what kind of movie are you talking about? So he says, so now we're not thinking anything mainstream, right? Then he comes to us with another tidbit of information that he thinks is helping, but it's really hindering. C'è un canzone famoso no Kisushinomo. Che bello, mi piace. Non capisci parole, però la musica è bella. Okay, how does it go? Una cosa che ho scritto. Non ho scritto. Yep. Hindering. Not helping. Song comes on in the bakery, luckily for him, for his argument, because we had nothing. It was a cold case. He then adds, "Chiedo canzone che canta Guido Oibo." Pretty Woman. Asapa. Richard Gere in the movie is not a Pimpisa. Okay? He's a guy that finds her. Ide prostitute, ide non è Pimpisa. So I'm like, I'm leaving this here. Okay? So let's just say Pretty Woman is forever tainted in my mind. Okay? And every time I would shake my head in disbelief when we would finally figure out what he was saying, he would, because this is mortifying. More for you than me. All right, we'll talk.